Hi Lola Cora, happy birthday po. Sorry po hindi po ako makakauwi ngayon. Try ko po sa susunod, pero enjoy po kayo sa party nyo and lagi po kayong mag-iingat, stay healthy po. And sana po makita ko po ulit kayo soon. I love you po, happy birthday ulit.
Hi Mama Cora, happy 80th birthday to you and wishing you all the best in life and wishing you best health and more birthdays to come.
Birthday, Mama Cara. Love you.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Manay Cora! Happy birthday to you! And many more! Happy birthday! And may you have many more birthdays to come. I love you, and I'll miss you, and I will see you soon! Love
Manay Cora, hello there. This is a surprise, huh? You didn't expect this from your brother-in-law? Well, I want to wish you a happy birthday and many more to come. I'm not going to sing to you because I've got a bad voice, okay? But anyway, you enjoy your day, and hopefully we'll see you soon. Bye!
Hi Tita Cora, happy 80th birthday. May you have many more birthdays to come. Stay healthy, stay strong, and I wish you all the best and blessings. Bye. Regards to everybody.
Hello! Hi Tita Cora! Happy 80th birthday! I hope you stay happy and healthy always, and I hope to visit you there again in Bicol. I haven't been there for 25 years already. I hope someday I can be able to go there. For now, please enjoy your party, and I miss everyone there. God bless. Ingat po palagi. Happy 80th birthday po again. Bye-bye.
Hi Tita Cora! Happy 80th birthday! Medyo important tong video namin. Nasa California kami. And I wish nandyan ako para to greet you personally. But happy birthday na lang po. And hope to see you soon pag uwi ko ng Bicol.
Tita Cora, how are you? Si Pilsto, si Pia. Anyway, happy 80th birthday. I wish my mom will be here to greet you a happy birthday, but from all of us, from my family from my mom, from all of us, a happy birthday, and I hope to see you soon. To see you all soon. Namiss ko na rin yung Bicol. Okay? You take care, and God bless you.
Bye!
Hello, Tita Cora. This is Monette Blanquisco or Maria Naganuma. Okay, I'm wishing you a very happy birthday, Tita Cora, in behalf of my family from Okinawa, Japan. Okay, wishing you good health and happiness. Enjoy your very special day. Love you all. Bye.
Happy birthday, Tita Cora!
Hello everybody! Kumusta kayong lahat dyan? Happy birthday, Tia Cora! I wish you lots of happiness, good fortunes, and everything that you're hoping for. Ingat ka lagi! Stay healthy and beautiful. Hug and kisses all the way from Texas. Rob, Irene, Monica, Mars, and little Olivia. We love you. We love you, everybody. Missing you. Bye.
Hello sa lahat. Maraynal daw sa Indugabos. This is just a short birthday message for Chakora's 80th birthday. Wow! 80 ka na pala, Chakora. I wish I could reach that age healthy. Ang masasabi ko sana happy birthday, and I wish you good health para mag-reach ka ng 100 para manggana kita kay 1 million. Okay, so that's all. Kamusta uli sa inyong lahat? And happy birthday, Chakora. I'll see you all soon for good. Bye-bye.
Hi, Tia Cora. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy 80th birthday. Wish you good luck and wish you all the best on your birthday. I will see you in May when I come home. Happy birthday again. Love you. Hello, everybody. Bye-bye. See you in May.
Happy birthday, Auntie Cora. May you have many more birthdays to come. My wife, Teresita, is the one telling me what to say.
Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Chakora. More birthdays to come. Hi, Lola Cora. Hi, Lola Cora. Hi, Lola Cora.
Oops, teka muna, bago bumati. Batiin ko muna kayo lahat yan, kamustahin ko kayo lahat yan. I hope lahat tayo nasa magandang kalusugan. Anyway, Chakora, happy birthday. See you soon. Bye.
Happy birthday, Auntie Cora. We wish you good health
And happy life.
Happy birthday, Auntie Cora. Wishing you all the best, long life, good health, always beautiful, and more blessings to come. We love you.
Hello, Auntie! Marina Aldaw sa Gabos. I just wanted to wish you a happy birthday. Wish you good health and many more. Candles to blow. I love you, and hopefully you get to see Mom and Dad when they get home. See you soon. I hope so. Love you. Happy birthday again.
Happy 80th birthday, Mama Cora. Stay healthy and pretty as always. Take care.
Happy birthday, Tia. Sana abot ka pa ng 100 years. Mag-birthday ulit. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Cora. Sana tawang pangalawig na buhay.
Happy 80th birthday, Ninang Cora. Naway, marami pang dumating na birthday na makasama mo ang iyong pamilya. At sa panahon ngayon, kahit na tayo ay na malalayo, pero hindi pa natin malilimutan yung mga panahon na tayo ay nagkasama, na nandyan ako sa poder nyo ng mga panahon na yun. Ako'y nagpapasalamat na ako'y napunta sa Bicol, kayo napunta namin, napuntahan ko at nakilala ko sa pamagitan po ni Ate Ruby Mirasol. At gusto ko rin ipasamantalahin ang oras na ito na si Ate Ruby at saka si Manuel Ramon Mirasol ay nagpapasalamat din ako dahil sila rin ay nakatulong sa akin ng ako ay napadpad siya sa lugar na ng Tabaco Albay. Kaya Ninang, ako nagpapasalamat sa lahat na nakilala ko sa mga panahon na walang-wala ako, wala akong matuluyan, kayo po ang pinatuluyan at naging ninong ko pa sa kasal. Ninang, ulitin ko, maraming salamat at happy birthday sa gabi ito.
Cora, happy birthday. Happy 80th birthday. More blessings to come. Salamat sa Diyos na nakaabot kita sa edad na iyan. Very strong, healthy, and full of love and happiness. Go on, avoid stress, stay healthy, and always be happy. Pag uli ko, maghirilingan kita dyan, sa San Antonio o kung saan gusto mo. Sana magdyan magiraray sa ibatang mga kaklase. Ang aning makadyan, taramang ko na ito na if they give time na magdyan sa imong 80th birthday. Salamat sa Diyos na buruhay pa kita, makusog, asin, mga magayon. Let us be happy always. Dahil magpara problema, ang kaipuhan ta, kaugmahan. Padabaon taan sa tuyang pamilya, because family is love. It is the world that makes the world go round. We love you so much, Cora. Pag uli ko, mabanding kita na Medi. Okay, Happy birthday. God bless you and God bless us always. Thank you so much.
Hello, Cora, and the rest of the guests, and special mention to CCS Class 62. Here is my birthday greetings to my dear former classmate in Catholic Central School. As the saying goes, a strong friendship does not need daily conversation or being together. As long as the friendship lives in the heart, true friends never part. Rest assured, Cora, that the feeling is mutual. Napangiturugan ko si Art Kasubanggi, nagkanta baga ka ini, kaya ipajuwet da ako, o minsan de baga ako nagkakanta sa buong buhay ko. O sige lugod. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Class 62, please join me. Isipon mo sana, namumutan ka ka. Ning minsan sa enda, imaglingaw ka. Sa pagtuturo ko, asin sa pagmata. Gabos na rekwerdo, si mong girumduma. Sa aldaw sa banggi, antes kang magturo. Sarong inadrangay, idulot mo sa Diyos. Aning matiwasay, ansa kong pagkamuon, at tumadumana. Daraku ang ugma. You ini ang dedication sa imo ni Art. You've been a beautiful couple, and you know, Art was met by Rick when we visited Tabaco.